Toilet won't flush? Here's how to fix it fast without calling a plumber. Alright, so first thing you want to do if your toilet's being stubborn is check for clogs. Sometimes stuff just gets stuck, and a good old plunger can save the day. Next, look at the handle. If it's loose or not moving right, that could be the problem. Then there's the flapper, that little rubber thing inside the tank. If it's worn out or cracked, water won't flow properly. You can replace it pretty easily with parts from any hardware store. Don't forget to check the chain connecting the handle to the flapper. If it's too loose or too tight, it won't lift the flapper enough. Also, peek at the flush valve for any damage or buildup that blocks water flow. Finally, make sure the water level in the tank is right around 1 inch below the overflow tube. If it's too low, there won't be enough water to flush properly. These simple fixes usually get your toilet flushing like new again without much hassle. One of the biggest issues people run into with a toilet that won't flush is ignoring clogs and just assuming it's a mechanical problem. Plunging before anything else can save you a lot of headaches. Another common mistake is messing with the handle or chain without realizing the flapper might be old and needs replacing. Swapping that out often fixes stubborn flush problems. Also, not checking the water level in the tank is a classic miss. If it's too low, your toilet just won't flush well no matter what else you do. Fix these by always starting with plunging, then inspect and replace the flapper if needed, followed by adjusting the chain length and topping off the water level in the tank. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors so you don't have to stress about who to call for repairs like this. Plus, contractors get a solid platform to connect with people who actually need their services, making life easier for everyone involved.